Well, hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a cooking video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I wanted to share my banana muffin recipe. Back in the day, I would make banana muffins with refined flour and sugar, and it was just super delicious. But I have managed to formulate a recipe through trial and error, trying different recipes. And I've come up with something that really works for us. We eat it as snack, breakfast, and everything in between. So let's get started. Let me show you how I make my banana muffin. So by now you may have realized that we'll be blending all of this up. This is a quick and easy recipe, so everything's going to go right into the blender. We'll begin with bananas, and you want to make your bananas as ripe as possible because that just makes them sweeter, and we won't need to add as much added sweetener in there. We follow that up by adding 2 eggs, some vanilla, and our raw and local honey. To that we add 1 plump medjool date, some baking soda, coconut flour, and rolled oats. Now the co-star of the recipe is of course oats, and I like to keep mine gluten-free. And finally we add some flax meal and some coconut oil. Now I like to keep mine in solid form because, like I said, it's all about ease and simplicity. I don't feel that I need to melt my coconut oil, but I'm sure it won't make much of a difference. We blend that all up, and you're going to get a pretty thick mixture, but it seems to work out just fine. Give it some help just by scraping it a couple of times to make sure everything's incorporated. And we're ready to put them in the muffin tin. I like to line my muffin tin with some parchment lined cupcake holders, and I'll fill them up a little bit more than halfway up just to give them the muffin tops. You can do 2/3 of the way up, which will give you about 12 cupcakes. Okay, so I just pulled these out of the oven, and toothpick inserted, it's come out clean, so they're ready to go. I'm going to dish these out and take a little taste test. Okay, so I have my best critic. He's going to tell us how it turned out. Okay, Sami. So this is one that I made previously with the chocolate chip cookies. I'm sorry, the chocolate chips. And we have one that we just made fresh out of the oven. Texture's great. What do you think?
I love it.
Take a bite of this one.
Okay.
Alright you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make these, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Share pictures with me on Instagram, just tag me Eat.Drink.Pure. And remember, your support and subscription really helps this channel to grow. So share it with your friends, your family, make my recipes, and let's get this healthy movement going. All right, take care you guys. I'll see you in my next video.
Say bye.
Welcome to another cooking video. I've just been